In this video, I will show you how to find your contacts on Roblox. So in order to do this, we're going to click on the Home tab, and from our Home tab, we're going to click on Add Friends. So let's go ahead and click on this, and then we're going to click on Connect with Contacts. So let's click on this at the top, and right now we need to click on Get Started. And now Roblox wants to have access to our contact, and I have not enabled this yet, so I just need to click on Continue. From here, you can just select all the contacts that you want to give access to. So as you can see, I have allowed access to my contacts. And as you can see, these two contacts are not on Roblox yet. So I cannot add them in here. I can just click on Invite. But let's say your friends are on Roblox and you want to add them, then this is what you will see. So then you will see something like this. So there are a couple of people in this list, and in my case, it was invite because they were not on Roblox. But in here, you will see people that saying on Roblox, and then you can just click this add button, and then you will add these contacts to your Roblox as friends immediately. So that is how you do it. I hope this really helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.